My advice goes to Igbo youth, Igbo children, all over the world. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you are in America, whether you are in Europe, whether you are in Africa, or whether you are in Igbo land or in Biafra land. Let me always put Biafra, because I don't divide anybody, I don't separate people. And I find it that in Biafra land, that everybody have a space to live as autonomous community, autonomous people, freedom people, who use their own knowledge and minds to associate with the people under culture and tradition, omenana and ordinana. That is where Igbo people, Igbo youth have to try to find out what is omenana, what is ordinana. Omenana is the ways of integrating yourself with the other children's, the ways of nature. Nobody can cheat nature as long as you can see moon, stars and sun, and see rain fall, see wind blows, see day and night and how things changes naturally. Nobody can change that thing. That is omenana, the way of understanding the nature. Human being is human being. The way you integrated yourself with the other children in another place. Ordinana is what is in the land, because every land they have what is there, that is ancient, which is older than everybody, even Obama, if I can say it like that. And nobody have no right to change it. Learn from it, culture and tradition, and don't be in a mist where people are telling you to destroy your culture because your history will be no more.